everywhere.
Yeah, I'm tracking in a straight line now.
Our belts,
so it's hooking up.
Belts is warm as she's gonna get for this and stretched. And
so we're at 525.
We'll probably be right around there. I'll put up our average on the screen right here, right now. Rev limiter. You're averaging about 2.8, 7.5 average, so.
Okay.
There's the rev limiter! Greg's living that life. You got a 0 to 20, 2.3. The second run we're gonna skip. The third run was 2.43. The second one has you 7.48, so it must not have read right. I bet you we lost satellite signal or something. Shoo, it's booking. That's a quick Rhino. 347, you shaved some off.
Yeah, it's definitely, that was a tenth of a second almost right there.
Shoo.
Still one more time.
Alrighty. He's laughing, that's a good sign.
329.
I tell you what, let me stiffen your rear shocks up a bit,
really?
And we'll see if we can shave a little more off. I'll give you a couple. I'm going up 4 more clicks. I think I had you at 4, so it'll put you at about 8.
All verified too.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is pretty level up and through. I never ran the X4 here. I'll have to run it and see what it does. And the sun's making it hard to see my screen. That was what you had last time?
329, I think.
329. Yeah. You in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive?
I'm in 4-wheel drive.
You're 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's over, that's what was it, 5 something?
5 something.
5, that's over, that's like 2.5 seconds.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's a big improvement.
Yeah, let's, I'm gonna do it again. As long as we keep getting faster, why not, right?
Keep going, yeah. Breaking her in the right way. Dust cloud. Where'd he go?
So we were 100th. So that's pretty repeatable there.
Yeah.
We were 100th slower.
Yeah.
So let's try a couple low range launches.
Yeah, I think. Let me check the. So here's all our numbers. What is really impressive, those 0 to 10, his fastest was 0.64 seconds, 0 to 10. And your best time, 0 to 30 so far, is 3.24.
It is definitely a bottom end engine though. It's definitely a low end torque engine.
Yeah.
It's that stroker head made a big difference. We shaved 2.5 seconds off 0 to 30. That's impressive. Over a stock machine.
Alright, we're going to jump right in here with our 0 to 25 in low range, 4-wheel drive. That was fast. That was really fast. you even get 25? You're off that too soon.
Oh no, I went way beyond 25. What do you think I got?
1.89.
234.
234. I was gonna say an even 2. I should have, but I thought, nah, it's gonna be faster.
338, 0 to 30, which is actually slower.
It's actually slower in low gear.
Because it's running out of.
Yeah.
It's running out of bottom end. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get this. We might be able to get this into 2s.
Get it down. Yeah. Get her down here too. Shoot.
I just stalled it.
I heard that. It might not.
242. So we're about 8/100 slower.
Sorry. 241?
Yeah.
So that's pretty consistent then.
Yeah. So right around 240 to 25 in low range. That's a 3280 to 30 in low range. So it's actually almost the same 0 to 30 in high and low.
Yeah.
Let me try a couple more highs. 0 to 10, 0.72. 0 to 25, 243, and 0 to 30, 334. So it's right around 33.
Yep.
30.
Cool. That's pretty good.
No problem with that.
No, that's a big improvement. To go from mid 5s down to low 3s.
Yeah.
Mid and low 3s.
I think even upper 5s maybe. I don't remember the numbers. I know it was at least mid 5.
Yeah.
That's really impressive. To drop 2 seconds off that.
Oh yeah.
That's, you want to try it?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna lose this stuff though. Quick little drag race here at the Draggy with the X4 as it rains and I get water on my camera. We swapped out the springs. You had what, 22 gram in there?
I had 18 gram in there.
You had 18.
I put 22 in.
So I had it backwards.
We think it has the horsepower to pull the heavier weights with the stock tires and wheels. So we're gonna see. That's the experiment. Jason ran 3.1 with the 3.1 was the best with 18 gram. So we're gonna see how it does now. I think it feels a little quicker, but we'll see.
Alrighty. So again, I had the best time in that guy with the 18 gram rates at 3.1 seconds, 0 to 30. We'll see what we can do with these 22 if they make any difference. As it begins to rain. Come on, rain.
361, but a lot of wheel spin.
Yeah, I saw that. We're kind of sloppy right now.
Yeah, I think I can take it half a second off that.
Yeah.
If it was, because it's really dry. It hooked hard.
It did. It hooked good.
Yeah, I don't know where we can go to get
let's try over there because there is some grass and some little bit harder packed. It might not be as loose. We'll give that a shot. All right, we're gonna try a new spot here. That was awful slick from this rain we're getting. We have some grass, So it should be a little better traction. I know it won't be an apples to apples, but see if we can get our time down a little bit. We'll probably end up revisiting these anyway on a drier day, but we'll see. A lot of wheel spin. A lot of wheel spin. I'm gonna stand under the tree. Shade. Oh, do I look up and get a big glob of rain in my eyeball? You still had quite a bit of spin in there.
I was going 25 before. Whoops. It was going 25 before I even started to hook.
Yeah, that time was a 4.09. So
yeah, that was.
I think this rain just kind of got us skunked for this right now.
What was that first one? 3.6 something. Yeah, we're just not going to get good data.
Yeah, 3.61 was the first one.
We should try X4.
You want me to do a quick run in the X4 right here?
Yeah.
We can do that.
Right.
You become cameraman.
All
Where's the
right.
Draggy?
We've got terrible conditions, but we'll see. I do think the Rhino's hooking harder with those heavier weights though, but there's no
Just don't
traction.
have the traction today.
Looked good. 573.
They are close. I did a 3.69.
Really?
So you beat me. You're at 3.6.
3.61.
3.61.
Yeah.
So
We gotta do it under better
we'll have to
conditions.
do it under better
because
conditions.
technically, you have better tires than I do.
Also more weight.
Yeah. Well, longer wheelbase helps you hook up.
Actually, the little bit extra weight probably helped you there.
Yeah. But
Well guys, it's raining. We're gonna call it quits for this video. We will have to revisit these Draggy times when it's a little nicer with these 22 gram weights. But you guys got the data there from the 18 gram, and we'll see if we get an improvement on the next time. Like I said before, as you guys are soaking wet, there'll be lots more coming with this Rhino. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed Project Raging Rhino thus far. Who knows what's in store for it later on.
stage 3 cam.
Yep, stage 3 cam.
Maybe, we'll see.
We'll see. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna get in, get dry. Greg's gonna take her home, play with her at home so you can see how much lacking in power his 2012 Rhino is now, side by side.
Yeah.
Right?
That's right.
Uh-huh.
Time to build it.
So again guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay dry and keep on riding.